Habang naghihintay kami. Yun. Gate 52 kami. Via Montreal. 10:30. Ready to go, Superiman. Ilan na si Superiman, no? Ready to go, Superiman. Time to go, Superiman. Going to the plane. Ha? Oh. Yeah. Ha? You're bored? Ayan, oh, ayan na yung sasakyan mo. Yeah, look at that. Yung sasakyan namin yung Air Canada. Air Canada. Laki pala nito, Iman eh, oh. Look at that. It's big. Anak ko ni Super Iman, no? Andun na siya. Masakay na kami. Air Canada. Yan si Super Iman, nanonood na siya. Ayan, ah. Let's go, Super Iman. O, ayan. Halis na yung sakyan namin.
I'm watching Godzilla X Kong, the new empire.
Yun yung nagtra-traffic, oh. Wow. Thank you. Yan. Thank you, New York. Okay. Kaya malapit sa dagat ito. Yun yung boat. It's going up, man. Yeah. Si Don Sima, no? Ayan yung New York City, oh. That's New York City. Look, take a look. Ha? New York. Napalibutan pala ng tubig yan, no? Nice. New York. New York, New York. Oh, that's the stadium, yung ano. Ganda. Ayan, oh. Arrive kami sa Montreal. 11:56. We're here, Montreal. Yan, pababa na kami, oh. Wow. Very nice, Montreal. Ah. Ayan, oh. Parang bridge yun, ah. Oh, beautiful Montreal. Oh, tubig din ito. Superiman. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy, Barbie, Daddy.
Yo, El Canada. Sorte yun. Touchdown Montreal. Hi, Superiman. Escalator. Nauna pa ako sa inyo. Ha? See? Nag-exercise. Welcome, Montreal. Ayan. Makay kami dyan, no? Aircon ka din, Superiman. Ha? Montreal. International Airport. That's nice. City of Montreal. Correspondence connection. Ayun, connection. Akala ko ticket pala ito. Ha? Montreal. Ay, man, automatic open for you. Wow. Ito ng McDonald's si Superiman, no? Masaya siya. May babalikan siya. Oop, Thai Express, Superiman. Go home, Superiman. Another one. Connecting flight to Winnipeg. Yeah.